Paquete del caramelo de jengibre medicinal. A 2.000 pesos el paquete, el caramelo de jengibre, el medicinal.
So today, usually I do the how-tos and how to do this and how to do that at the airports and whatnot. But I'm gonna try to do a different type of walking tour today. Just gonna go explore Candelaria here in Bogota. So all I've done so far is come up 10th Street, Calle 10. Right now I'm in front of the military museum. And yeah, just keep going. This is the Museum of Bogota. I've never been to any of these museums. I've only been to the Gold Museum, which was awesome. But yeah, this uphill is crazy, but it's really awesome seeing the historic side of Bogota. So usually the restaurants for lunch, they'll have an executive menu, which is like already made food. They have like 2 or 3 options for a good price. So I'm gonna keep looking, see if there's anything I like. This is a library specializing in the political history of Colombia. Nice. So I'm still on 10th Street, Calle 10 with Carrera 3. So 10th Street with 3rd Avenue. This is really awesome. Has anybody ever stayed in an Airbnb up here in Candelaria? Let me know in the comments, I'm curious. Now we're on 10th and 2nd. Maybe I'll go down. Or should I go up? Here's another menu. Chicken with spaghetti, lemonade for $23. It's about $5. The prices will be a little higher here because we're in a tourist area, but still a good price. My usual lunch spot is $13,000, which is like $3. It's all the same, really. It's all about where you go. I see a Peruvian flag and a pizza place. Let's go check that out. Peruvian Gastro Bar. Looks super good. Pizza Candelaria. I don't trust pizza in Colombia. That's just me. There's only one pizza spot that looks like it's really good, and I haven't been there yet. Gracias. Masaya, menú del día. Let's check it out. That's a cool vibe. Cool vibe, but not for me. Nativa vegan food. 18,000 for all that. If you're into vegan food. Over there is Chorro de Quevedo. Chorro de Quevedo is like a little square. I believe it said that that's like the original center of Bogota. That's where Bogota started, right behind me, Chorro de Quevedo. ¿Qué es ramen?
Ramen, sushi, roll.
Gracias. It's a Dragon Ball Z ramen, like a ramen Vietnamese Dragon Ball Z themed restaurant. Here's a little, I guess you could call it a hole in the wall. They got soup, they got steak, they got bandeja paisa and ribs. Buenas.
Ejecutivo con albóndiga en salsa, pierna pernil, frijolada, carne asada, albóndigas.
La carne asada está bien.
¿Con carne asada?
Sí. So we got steak and garbanzo soup. It was a good place. The place is called Sudamerica. Sudamerica with a K. Just so you guys know, we have a Hotel Centro kosher restaurant. There's a retro bar. As you can see, we're heading back down towards Septima. Of course, there's a lot more to explore, but little by little, you know. A lot of hotels here. A lot of hotels, a lot of hostels. Restaurants from like every area of Colombia. So if you keep walking along Carrera 4, Avenue 4, keep walking along here, you're gonna end up in Parque Periodista, which is Journalist Park. This is pretty much where university students, corporate people, and tourists all meet. So this is going to lead to the bus stop station called Las Aguas, and it's going to lead to the center of, like, the heart of downtown. Also up there is Monserrate, the top of that mountain over there. So this is like a central area for like tourists and people to stay at, you know. So that park will lead you right here to 19th. And I need a coffee. So for coffee, some of my favorite spots for coffee depend on where I am. So for example, here, Estación Las Aguas, see these two buildings? In there, there's a Starbucks and a Juan Valdez, if that's what you're into. But if you walk along 19th, which is right here, you'll see a bunch of coffee spots. As far as my current coffee spot, I change a lot, but right now it's, if you're on 19th and you come to Torre Bogota, this is the tallest building in South America, I believe. So if you come here, right in there, there's a little courtyard area with a coffee shop and a ice cream shop. So if you want to try to get away from the hustle and bustle of downtown Bogota, that's where I recommend to go. Let's go check it out. So there's also a Smart Fit gym in there, and it's called Bogota. You can see they have the gym, the wine place, coffee shop, and the ice cream shop. And if it rains, you won't get wet. So that's it, guys. I showed you a little bit of Candelaria. We had some lunch and we had some coffee. So let me know what you guys want to see next. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.